In this video, we will look at an overview of the C++ programming language. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify the key features of the C++ programming language and its role in the larger spectrum of programming languages. Some of you may have prior experience programming in languages like Java, Python, and C#. These are what we call high-level programming languages. A high-level programming language is easier to understand by programmers. Low-level programming languages like assembly and binary code are interpreted by a computer, and much harder for human programmers to understand. C++ sits in between these sets of high-level and low-level languages, and is referred to as a middle-level programming language. It contains powerful high-level programming features like object-oriented programming, but also allows the programmer to directly manage the memory of the program, something typically offered by low-level languages. It is for this reason that we call C++ a middle-level language, as it offers a mix of features from high and low-level programming languages. C++ was created by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1979. It is based in C programming, but features classes, an object-oriented feature not supported in C. Before it was called C++, its working title was C with classes. It is a case-sensitive language, so the difference between capital and lowercase letters is important when coding in C++. C++ is object-oriented, fast, portable, and widely used. C++ is an object-oriented language, meaning it gives us the ability to create classes that serve as the blueprints for creating objects. It supports the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming, or OOP, which are inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. If these concepts are unfamiliar to you, don't worry. We'll be doing a deep dive on OOP later in the course. It is also faster than many other programming languages. In fact, it is one of the most efficient and fastest programming languages that you can use. One of the features that makes the execution speed of C++ so impressive is that it is statically typed, meaning that type checking is performed when the code is compiled, instead of when the program is run. C++ is portable. When we refer to a programming language as portable, we mean that it can be used on a variety of platforms and operating systems. It is not tied to one OS. This allows us to move software from one machine platform to another, without having to do a major refactor of the program. It is one of the most widely used languages. All of the major operating systems, Windows, Mac, and Linux, are programmed in C++. It is frequently used in finance and banking applications, since these process very high numbers of transactions each day. This powerful programming language is used across industries and is the backbone of the majority of the software we use on a daily basis. If you want to become a professional programmer and make a great salary, one of the best languages you can learn is C++. Trust me, knowing this language will greatly improve your resume and employability.